All right, number 3 is a very similar problem to number 2. So again, this is going to be one where you might find it's easier to work through if you have 2 checklists. So I see I have parentheses. I'm going to circle that part. I'm going to draw a box around the part that we're going to ignore for now. And this first checklist is going to be for my whole problem. And this checklist down here is just going to be inside the parentheses. All right, so looking inside my parentheses, I don't have another set of parentheses, so I'm going to cross that out because we didn't have that. I do see that we have exponents though. So I'm going to circle that, and I'm only looking at things inside the parentheses for now. So 6 squared, again, very similar to number 2. I'm going to put this down here. 6 squared is the same as 6 times 6, which is 36. So that's going to be 36 right here. That 36 over here replaces everything that's in that orange circle right here. All right, now I can bring everything in this first box down. 12 times 4 minus 36. And again, remember, we're only working inside the parentheses for now. All right, so going to my parentheses checklist, I can check off exponents because I finished that part. Now I'm on to the next step, multiplication or division. And I see that I have multiplication right here. So I'm going to draw a box around this. Ignore that for now. And you know what? I think this time I'm going to bring down this so I don't forget it. I'm going to put a box around it. Okay. So now I need to do my multiplication. 12 times 4 is 48. I'm going to bring this down. And remember that this is all stuff that belongs inside those parentheses. I'll bring down my minus 9. It's just going to hang out on the end. I can put that in a box because I'm not ready to work outside my parentheses yet. I'm not done with that part. I am done with multiplication or division inside my parentheses. And the last thing that I see inside is the subtraction. So 48 minus 36. That is 12. So now I am completely done with my parentheses part. So I'm going to go back to the whole problem checklist and check off parentheses because I finished that part. I'm going to bring this down. And now that I'm at this stage and I'm looking at my whole problem, there's no more exponents, there's no multiplication or division, but we do have addition or subtraction because I have subtraction right here. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And that's that. So as you can see, we've got our color coding strategy. We're using our boxes. Sometimes you might find that the strategy, you need to kind of make it what works for you. So I did number 2 and number 3 a slightly different way because by the time I got to number 3, I felt like I could use my strategies a little better, so I changed it a little bit. So if you have to do that, you don't have to do it exactly the same way I did. You just have to find a way that works for you. The most important thing is that you don't miss any steps and you keep your work organized.